Hello, this is Mehdi Baruman. As I told you, I have 35 years experience working on automobile, especially European car. And I always like to help public because there is a lot of stereotype going on. For example, if you ever want to have argument with your repair shop, don't try to scare him from Better Business Bureau. Always tell him you want to go to Bureau of Automobile, which is part of the consumer department. Thank you.